Guys, I wanted to show you this probiotic that the company sent me to try out. I have been taking probiotics for like 20 years. I really believe in them. You could do your own research of why, the gut-brain connection and all of the different benefits of having like a healthy gut. And this is one of the ways that I find that I can get it. This one I really like because it is shelf stabilized, so it does not need refrigeration. And then you know when it like comes delivered, it's still, you know, if you buy one that needs to be refrigerated, you don't know, I don't know necessarily what happens in like transit or before it got to the refrigerator. Those active strains could die before you even get it. So that's why I like to buy shelf stabilized probiotics. It has 7 different strains. You could read about the benefits from them, anything from like leaky gut to different types of like brain connection, like for stress, your hormones, different aspects like that. So you could read all about it. You take 1 a day. It doesn't matter morning, noon, like night. It doesn't matter if it's with or without food. You know, what I think is like most important when taking something like this is just like consistency. So you just find what time works for you and that you're going to remember to take it. And that's when you take it every day. So 1 a day. I like this brand because there's not a lot of other stuff in it. It's pretty straightforward of the ingredients. So there's not like a ton of additives or fillers in there. It does have like the good manufacturing label on it. So I do look for that when I'm buying supplements. And again, you can read all about the different benefits of taking a probiotic like this, but I highly recommend it. If you need a new probiotic, give this one a try.